How's it going, guys? Zach and Mac here today, and we're going to be building a PC for PC Bros. It's $900. It's going to be a great budget system. It's going to be able to handle all AAA titles and even some esports titles.
So yeah, if you're looking to get into gaming, then look no further than this PC. If you want to follow along, we'll have parts in the description down below. But let's go ahead and talk about these parts and how they're going to work in this PC build.
So for the CPU of this build, we have the Intel Core i3-12100F. This is a 4-core, 8-thread processor. And for the motherboard to go with that CPU, with the ASRock B660M Pro RS. This is an LGA 1700 Micro ATX motherboard. It's going to fit perfectly inside this PVA Prodigy, and it's going to have really good fitment. And for the SSD, we have a Team Group MP33 1TB Gen 3 NVMe M.2 SSD. We love using these SSDs in our videos. We've probably gone through hundreds of them. And for the RAM, we have a 32 gig kit of silicon power DDR4 RGB RAM. It's at 3200 megahertz, and it's gonna be great for AAA titles and esports gaming.
And for the graphics card, we have the RTX 3050 with 8 gigabytes of VRAM. It should work for all your AAA titles that you want to play. I don't really know that. I'm just saying what I believe. And for the power supply, we have the Gigamax 600 watt 80 plus bronze. This should be able to power everything in this build with a little bit of room to spare. So for the case, we have the old reliable, the PVA Prodigy. As you know at PC Bros, this is what we love to use. So if you have, oh, the nut button made its way onto here. So we'll just give this one and we'll say it's good to go.
All right, so it looks like we're in medium settings about everything. Windowed full screen.
No, his keybinds are different from mine. Ah!
You're so sweaty. You're so sweaty. Kill him. Kill him. Oh my god, dude. I hate his aim. It's not bad. Dude, you should see me aim. It looks like... Oh. You take down Satan McDougal. If he gets this kill, you gotta add a squirrel. Dude, look at this long shot. Oh my god, dude, you should clip that. He should have hit him. He should have hit him. Show me why we didn't hit that.
Rewind.
And you know what he's gonna do? He's gonna cut all around that. And by the way, this is Fortnite. In case you thought you...
I'm healing you, Bubby. I'm healing you.
I like you stopped healing him the moment danger showed up. I know you flicked and killed him.
I'm focusing.
He's afraid he'll look bad on camera.
I know. I got a sweat. I don't know why I just did that. It's probably because I'm healing like a good teammate.
How? I don't like it. It's like no matter how hard I try not to do.
Oh my god!
Yeah, dude, Smack Filthy doesn't deserve it. He doesn't have that dog in him. Tell him why you have that dog. Oh, wait.
I almost destroyed that little man. God. Yeah! Obtained 100,000 cash!
Well,
woo!
It looks like it ran well.
Yeah?
I think we're going to go ahead and just do one benchmark. So, yeah, we're just going to talk about the PC now.
Alrighty, so now that we're done benchmarking this $900 PC and you saw how it ran in the finals, pretty smooth. It should be able to run other AAA titles if you want to try those out, but since we only benchmarked that one and we didn't run Time Spy this time, we'll just give you our impressions on it. I like how that overall came together. The parts all look nice, and I've not really built many PCs, so I'm happy to see how it actually looks in the end.
When playing the finals, I didn't experience any stutters. I had a constant 100 FPS. I think it was 100 FPS. Honestly, I don't even remember. I was just playing the game and pumping, but you know, it was a great experience. I had a lot of fun. I think it would do very well in other esports games. AAA titles on lower settings, I think this thing could handle it. And if you like this PC and you want to buy one, but not this one, head over to PCBros.tech. If you really want this exact PC right here, you can put in a build quote and you'll get one.
So thank you all for watching, and if you'd like to like, comment, subscribe, we'd appreciate that, or check out our other 3 channels down below, and we'll see you all next time. Peace. We can do whatever we want for the end card. This is the end card. Buy things at PCBros.tech. I think ToastyBros 2 for 2% off at checkout. Buy a build mat. Buy
Santa
this computer,
5.
but not this one. You know, one like it. Prodigy, probably. Peace.